Hello guys, and welcome to Sun South. Today we're going to talk about the 4R series tractor. This is a 44 horsepower cab tractor, so it'll do anything that you need to do. If you've got 20-30 acres or so and want a cab tractor, this may be the tractor for you. It can hold any implements up to about a 6-foot implement on the rear. Nice loader, lift about 1,700 pounds on the loader. So come check out at Sun South, check out our 4044R series cab tractor. Thanks, Sun South.